Okay, good evening students. One question having this question 2008 JEE Advanced as the question. Okay, very good question. Question having 4 options given, but I not write the option. Question having gx is equal to ln function x, where function x is the twice derivation positive function on 0 to infinity, such that function x plus 1 is equal to x into function x given. Then n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Option given 4. But okay, now I start the question. Okay, I start this question. What given? कि function x is equal to e power gx. Understand this? Okay. Now this write down. Function x plus 1 is equal to e power gx plus 1. I replace x plus 1. I replace x plus 1. Now this already given, sir. What given? X into function x is equal to e g power x plus 1. Now both taking log both side. The ln x plus ln function x is equal to g x plus 1. Again ln function x what given? Gx. The function ln x is equal to g x plus 1 minus gx. Understand? That means g x plus 1 minus gx is equal to ln x. Now x replace x minus 1 by 2. So this value what? G x replace x minus 1 by 2. So x plus 1 by 2 minus g x minus 1 by 2 is equal to ln x minus 1 by 2. This simplify the ln 2x minus 1 minus ln 2. Question having twice derivation, 2 time derivation. First this 1 time derivation. The g dash x plus 1 by 2 minus g dash x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2x minus 1. This is 2. X derivation 2. This is constant derivation 0. So 2 items. Now double derivation. X plus 1 by 2 minus g dash x minus 1 by 2 is equal double derivation this. So what come? This derivation minus 4 by 2x minus 1 whole square. One time all students check this. Now x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot n value put. So what? This condition, this value x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, all value put. So x is equal to 1 value put. So g double dash 3 by 2 minus g double dash 1 by 2 is equal to minus 4 comes. One time check all students. Minus 4 by 1 consider. Now 2 value put. The g double dash 2 value put to 5 by 2 minus g double dash 3 by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 9 comes. Now g double dash 3 value put. So what come? 3 7. 7 by 2 minus g double dash 5 by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 25. Dot g n value put. The n plus 1 by 2 minus g dash n minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 2n minus 1 whole square. All add. So this cancel, this cancel, this cancel, all cancel. So remaining what? G double dash n plus 1 by 2 minus g double dash 1 by 2 is equal to minus 4 common. So 1 plus 9 plus 1 by 25 plus dot plus 1 by 2n plus 1 whole square. This is answers. Option first option having this value, first option having. Okay, understand? Thank you.